So check here. So I'm creating the procedure. Okay. Okay. So copy quantity. Okay, we will check that also. Quantity. Okay. So these are only spelling mistake. Okay. Then go with again call. Now check the boards. Select bottom. So orders. We have order ID A, product ID B, quantity 1, order date. Okay. So take select start from. So order logs. So we have log ID null. So order ID A and log timestamp we have. Okay. So why log ID empty null? So because of we have not mentioned. Okay. So we have not mentioned here. That's why it should be like empty. So we need to mention it. Then it's going to be show the value. So this is how to insert data into the two tables. So clear. So any doubt on this one on the procedure? Okay. So yesterday I explained right what we can do with the procedures. So what we could do. So store version Snowflake. So we can do insert, delete, and update. And also we can use if else loops. So it's going to be repeat. When we do any work repeatedly, so we can use this one. Okay, without doing repeatedly. Okay, we can use the procedure. So perform for multiple SQL statements. So it's going to reduce the manual error. So this syntax. Okay. So create or replace procedure name. So field data type, return data type. So language SQL. Okay. Then after here it goes to as keyword. So then again dollar dollar. Then begin. So here SQL code goes. Then end dollar dollar. End semicolon dollar semicolon. So one is like who is having every privileges. So caller will get privileges of the one. Okay. So we can insert data and update data. So we can delete data. So we can apply the valid rules. So using we can loop and we can throw the rows. So move data across tables. Okay. We can log add the data. So call other using this procedure we can call the other procedure. Okay, like parent and child. Okay, that run we can run the dynamic SQL. So we can trigger the task in the workflow. Okay, workflow and real time and yesterday I explained where we going to use in project in retail and finance and healthcare and e-commerce. Okay, so check it. So any doubt in this session? Procedure clear, right? So if you doubt, let me know.
No.
Renu, Narendra, Rajesh, Shekhar. Rajesh, clear, right?
Clear.
Okay. Okay, everyone. Okay. So Rajesh, Renu, and Shekhar, and Narendra. If there is any next meeting, I will let you know. Okay. So next
ఓకే
meet,
బ్రో
I will let you know.
Okay.
బయటకు వెళ్తున్నారా ఈరోజు?